I'm going to be teaching you how to get organized when you have kids. Today I have Ava. You have the modular closet system, which is really cool. Do you like it?
Yeah.
Keeps it really nice and organized, right?
Mm-hmm.
So I love this pull-out drawer. And I see you have, these look like leggings, right? Can we fold these?
Yeah.
So one is you can leave it out, kind of like long, right? So you can totally leave it like that. I'm gonna redo this one so it's really nice. And then we'll show how they stack next to each other. So let's show how it folds next to each other. Do one fold and then one more. Okay, so we put it next to each other and it stacks. So that's how it's gonna go in the drawers.
Well, this is my sister's side, so I can't wait. The whole side's messy. I've sneaked in. Sometimes I wear her clothes.
Oh.
My side is not messy. You're the messy twin. Yes, the very upside is messy. Zip it, Ava. Talk, but don't talk about my closet. My closet is not messy.